So in this lecture, we will try to understand about the composite function. Okay. So what is composite function? Composite function is also a function. Suppose that we have set A which contains 2, 4, 6, 8. We have set B which contains alpha, beta, gamma, delta, this. Okay. So suppose this is function f. So we have function f. Okay. Now we are introduced with another function named g. So look at this. Suppose it is c. So we are having let's write a b c d. A B C D E F. Okay. And this C will be connected with D P Q R S T U V. Okay. Now suppose that this 2 is connected with alpha, 4 is connected with gamma, 6 is connected with epsilon, 8 is connected with beta. Same way we will try to connect. This is function g. Okay. Now we will connect A with P, B with R, C with S, D with T, E with V, and F with Q. Okay. So we wish to find out f of g of x. So this is composition function or composite function. Okay. So suppose that for f of g of x, we are interested in finding the domain and the range. Okay. Now, so if you feel that the domain of f of x is this, f function is this is wrong, totally wrong. Whatever input you will give now, it will be taken by x, and x is inside g. Okay. So the domain of g becomes the domain of all together thing. Okay. So what is the domain of g function? G function is having domain as c. It is not set A, it is not set B, it is not set D. So domain belongs to what? A, B, C, D, E, and F. So this we got as domain. So suppose that the first, like I have given you input as A. Okay. So we are interested in finding f of g of A. So that A will be processed by g first. So if you will give A to g function, it will produce. Okay, it is not like this. Should not be P Q R. Okay. I'll try to change the values of this thing. Okay. Now let's write down these things. I will be writing 2. I have to like wait a moment. 2, 4, 6, 8. So B is connected with 2, C is connected with 4, D is connected with 4, E is connected with 6, F is connected with 8. Okay. Now, so still domain is same. Now, if you will give A to G, the A will be processed by G and will produce 2. So we are interested in finding f of 2. Now this 2 will be processed by f and it will produce alpha. So corresponding to the input 2, we are having alpha as the output. Okay, now suppose that, so this is the part of range. Now B again 2, so after 2 we will have alpha. Now C will produce 4 and 4 will produce gamma. Okay, now D will produce 4 and 4 will produce gamma, so again it is gamma only. E will produce 6 and 6 will produce epsilon. So epsilon is a part of range. F will produce 8 and 8 will be processed by F and it will produce beta. So we got our domain, we got our range. Similarly, we will find g of f of x. Similarly, we will find f of x and so on and so forth, these kind of combinations. So let's try to dive into the illustrations part so that we can build up better understanding about the given topic. Okay,